Tell us a bit about, you sort of work with our customers day to day, both for the recurring day-to-day business as well as some of the more nascent frontier
Mhm.
deployments that we have. What are some of the most promising applications of AI in translation that you're seeing currently or that you're excited about?
So Sylvia kind of started alluding to it, but the idea of fine tuning, I love it when I'm working in my personal Gmail system and it's guessing what I'm going to use. It knows and has learned that I like a lot of exclamation points. It saves me a lot of time. That idea of fine tuning, though, while it sounds very simple, it is extraordinarily complex. When we onboard with customers, we walk them through how models can fine tune and understand their style and tone of voice and tonality. But still, it's somewhat conceptual until they start really seeing it in action, where I've got a marketing model and it understands my brand brief and the tone of voice I need. Sometimes we work with programs that are creating content or translating content for children. There is a certain tone of voice that you have to take with children. You cannot speak to them as if they were adults. And so it's very unique is that, the idea that models can learn and adapt and grow with you, with your brand as well, to me is going to be such a change in the market. And then what's positive about this is you have a fine-tuned model that understands your company, your style, what kind of content you're looking at, who your audience is. And then you can create new content in target languages in English, where we are constantly trying to generate more content for non-English speakers, right? We can look when we talk about we're never going to be as big as Google. You're right. Google has massive amounts of data, but when you look at the data, predominantly it's going to be in English. And so there's such a large chunk of the market that's being excluded. And so the idea of, fine-tuning models for one purpose, creating new content for another purpose to me is really, really exciting. I think we're just at the precipice right now. This is going to really grow in the next few years.